Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2 of class 2. Numbers and number patterns and properties. The different numbers we can see in our daily life. And first property we will learn is odd and even. What is odd? Odd are the numbers that start from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. And even are the numbers that are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on up to the numbers you count. Okay, write the odd or even at the top of each column, complete the table. So as we learn that these are odd, so we write odd here, and these are even. And also completing table is our answer. So we write here 7 and what is it? 9. And even are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And next is even, odd, even. And you all have to do this exercise. Circle the odd numbers. So we will circle by by marking it as a tick or cross. So what is our number? 15. What is odd is 7, 23, 19, 11, and these are all odd. Here we have to circle the even. So evens are 2, 4, 6 is not here, 8, 10, 12, 12 is here, 12, 14, 16, and 18 is already circled. Then 20, 21 is not even, 22, 24, 25, and is 28 even. Okay, next is complete the sentences with using the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the even numbers end in 0. So definition we get for even number is all the even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And all the odd numbers end in 1, 3, 7, 9, and we have done. Next is write at least 3 more numbers in each box less than 12. So these are 3, 5, 7, and 9, and these are less than 12. 17 not less than 12. Okay, so these are 19, 13, and 15. Okay, not odd, but less than 12. There is no number that if this condition is not if we do not put this condition in this box, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and there we less than not odd, and 28 is 22. We can write 24, 26. Okay, next is circle the correct answer. The first one is done for you. There are 4 odd numbers between 6 and 12. How many are there? Let's see, 6, 8. Between, if we say between, so we cannot add the numbers that are here, like 6 and 12. We can't add them. So we have to write 4 numbers, 8 and 10. And then 12 came. So this is false. So we will tick it. False. All the numbers with 8 ones are odd. All the numbers with 8 ones are odd. This is not correct because or ones are always at the end point, and 8 is even, so this is not true. This is false. All the numbers with 3 ones are odd. This is true. There are 4 even numbers between 0 and 10, that are 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, this is true. Next is write the biggest odd number you know. Biggest odd number, that can be 9 and 9. Okay, write the biggest even number you know. We can write 1, 8, 7, 9, 4, 6, 5, 6. We have to always put an even number at the end of even number we have to make. So this is a today lecture. Please share, like, and comment my videos. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment. Thank you for watching my videos.